I'm back to see Raoul again today. I've got a few projects going on at the moment. One of them is cleaning out the house of all my old junk. And look what I found. That's an old PowerTap hub from probably 2006, 2007. It is the wired edition, but it still has all the same parts as a standard power meter, so strain gauges and the like. So I noticed it had little carbon windows in it. And what triggered my mind was Raoul is the guy known for cutting up carbon bikes. So I thought, well, why don't we cut up the carbon windowed power meter and see what's inside. So I'm going to take it into him now and leave it with him to rip open and have a look inside. Okay, here we go. Raoul, my old PowerTap hub. I'm keen to see inside.
Yeah.
What can we do with that?
Well, we'll open it up and see what the bits are. I have seen one of these cut up before at Interbike, and yeah, where the strain gauges and all that are. So I'm not sure if we need a special tool, but we'll work it out.
No, well, it's end of life, that thing. I think it's 2006, 2007 I had that.
Okay, so it's had a good use.
It has. The bearings have held up pretty well.
Yep, that's what used to go on these. The bearings used to flog out. And I've serviced so many of them over the years where actually the bearing preload was wrong.
Right.
And no, wrong. And and so it would over preload the bearing, which then when you put the skewer through, it even puts even more load onto the bearing and then flogs the bearing out real quick. And so I made up these little shims to adjust that, and that sort of solved the problem. But
well, that one's still in pretty good nick, but it's end of life, definitely end of life. And I'm keen to see what's actually behind that carbon window. Yeah,
well, the reason why they have the carbon window, I think it's just one layer of carbon and the rest is glass, because otherwise it'd be too much of a Faraday cage. But they also let signals and stuff go through it. But yeah.
All right. Well, I'll link everyone below to your channel, and we'll keep an eye on it in the next couple of days or weeks whenever you get the time.
Yeah, time.
But I'm keen to see what's inside my old power meter.
Yeah.
Thanks, mate.
No worries.
Okay, back at home now, and this lighting makes it look like I've got half a head. Anyway, what I want to do is start showcasing other people's content that I think is really, really interesting, that more people should know about. Raoul Luescher's channel is one of them, most definitely. His expertise in carbon fibre, if you've seen my cutting up carbon fibre video, I absolutely love that stuff, and he's an absolute expert in the field. Super, super interesting stuff. So, again, I'll link below to Raoul's YouTube channel, to his Instagram, and to his websites and things like that. But guys, hit over there, hit subscribe to his stuff if you're into engineering, data, or just geeking out on everything. And I'm back, more packages arrived. So I'll leave it there for now. I've got a little project that you may be interested in coming up as well. Have a look at what I've got here. More on that soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.